the love shot. Na 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 na.
Welcome back to my channel. This is the video for our workshop view from last week that we went through Love Shot by EXO. As you know, there's so many wavy dance in that song, so it was really fun to dance it. Also, it's not that hard choreography, so at the end of Thursday, everyone got the choreography. We just did the first chorus part and we were awesome. So, have fun watching our dance cover, and if you want to learn any K-pop choreography in person, I have this weekly workshop on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 8 to 9 p.m. in Arizona, so feel free to join us. I also have a tutorial video for this Love Shot by EXO, so in case if you want to learn, make sure to scroll down and find the URL and let's dance together. Alright, don't forget to give us thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye! 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Love shot.